What is the most expensive private jet in the world? The most expensive private jet is an Airbus A380 owned by Saudi Prince Alwaleed bin Talal, worth over $500 million. This plane isn't just a way to get around, it's a work of art in the sky. Inside we find a central throne for the prince, a concert hall, a Turkish bath, a garage for cars, a stable for horses and camels, and even a prayer room always facing Mecca. Prince Alwaleed bin Talal is the only private individual in the world who owns an Airbus A380, normally used to carry hundreds of passengers. Every detail of this jet has been designed by world-renowned architects and designers, making it not only the most expensive, but also one of the most spectacular ever built. With all these customizations, the value of this jet keeps going up, making it a true jewel of the sky.